Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm Sophia. We all know that health is wealth and breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Today I'm sharing my special healthy and tasty bread made with some really unusual tropical fruits. We are all busy running to school or work and don't have time for breakfast, and some of us skip it entirely. This recipe is perfect if you are one of those people. You can make this bread on the weekend when you have time and enjoy it during your busy weekdays. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. I'm using banana, mango, dragon fruit and dried dates. I soaked the dates overnight so they are soft now. Cut them into small pieces and blend them with the same water until it's smooth. Into that, add a quarter cup of milk. I'm using 2% organic milk. In a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using unbleached organic all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And sieve them 2 to 3 times. In another mixing bowl, crack open an egg along with 3/4 cup of sugar and blend them well. Add the second egg and continue blending them. Add the premixed flour a little at a time and blend them well. Add the fruit mixture and mix it well with a spatula. Once it mixed well with the flour, use a blender. Into that, add 1/2 cup of oil. I'm using canola oil, but you may use vegetable oil as well. And 1/4 cup of sour cream and let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Spray a loaf pan and pour the batter in. Put it in a 350 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Rest it on a cooling rack for 10 minutes. You can store it in an airtight container for a week in the refrigerator or freeze it up to a month. It's loaded up with nutrients, fiber, minerals, vitamins, and much more, and perfect for kids and adults too. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.